So a lot of patients will come in and have no idea that they've had a problem with clenching or grinding, but we're able, through our comprehensive exam, we can find wear facets on their teeth, early indications that they do have a problem with clenching or grinding. We can prescribe night guards, different appliances to kind of help eliminate that and to protect the teeth to make sure that they last them a lifetime. Some patients come in with pain, reporting pain in their jaw or their jaw muscles, or they know that they grind and they're looking for help with that. And through those appliances, we are able to help them, and most of them say it makes a world of difference in their quality of life, and their sleep habits as well, helps them kind of sleep better.